Hi everyone, my name is Himanshu Rajpurohit. I am the founder of Nexera.Health as well as the head of incubation for Poddar Incubation Center. I started my journey of entrepreneurship at the age of 12 and a half. You might have seen me on Shark Tank India season 4 as well. We were the season openers for the season as well as one of the youngest participants to ever participate in Shark Tank India. What we do is we are an end-to-end healthcare concierge to give all kind of healthcare services to companies in Southeast Asia and America. We are building technology-first healthcare solutions from India and serving to the globe. I started my journey of my first company, Boca Buddy, which was in elderly care. Over the years, there have been multiple failures, successes, with my last company being one of the first exits in furniture tech space. I've had a lot of learnings, and today we want to give these learnings to new entrepreneurs who are starting from very scratch. The journey of entrepreneurship is extremely lonely. We don't have the right mentorship, access to the right resources, access to the right amount of funding. But today, with this incubation center, what we are trying to do is to make entrepreneurship and its resources accessible, affordable, and efficient. What we are trying to do is to make you young entrepreneurs be better at what you are doing and give you everything possible to help you succeed with the right trajectory. So come join us at the incubation center. We'll make sure that you get the right mentorship, right people, as well as right amount of love that is required. The journey of entrepreneurship is extremely lonely, and we try to give the best community to you possible so that you can help and scale quickly in this journey and give your best. So come, let's together build the next era of entrepreneurship for this country. Thank you.
Poddar Group of Institutions